aspirants, welcome back to our channel MPSC Easy Learning, and this is Advocate Sabira Mistry. Today I've come up with an extremely important compilation lecture on most important days and the themes from Jan to July. This topic is one of the most important subtopics from the current affair perspective. And your students mainly have two questions. I would like to address the first one is this topic important? Because 365 days है, उसके 365 themes है, इतने सारे करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे? It is so difficult. What is the point? Rather just let it go. So, first thing, yes, this topic is important. And the reason why I say so, I have one data to back it up. It is that after seriously analyzing approximate 40 to 50 question papers, this is the data which I have received, that the question on days and themes have been asked 30 to 40 times in past 10 years. Okay. Secondly, chalo chodo, 10 saal bhi chodo, just pick up your 2023 combined pre-paper. There is one question on Panchayati Raj Day, right? Days and themes पे है, जहाँ पे date पूछा है. So, by this analysis we can deduce that MPSC expects you to study the most important days and themes for the paper. But now coming to the second leg of the doubt, 365 days, 365 themes कैसे याद करेंगे? Are all important? Please let us know. So no, sub 365 are not important. There are selective days which are important, and in this lecture I have only covered the selective ones. And also one more difficulty with student face ki how will you remember the dates and the days, right? So today we are going to learn all of those days with tricks. Easily आपको ध्यान में रह जाएगा, I can guarantee you. Okay, so let's move ahead. I am also available on Telegram and on Instagram. The link has been mentioned in the description box. On our Telegram channel, we upload daily previous year questions, which plays a vital role to qualify your prelims. And I can assure you, if you solve these previous year questions religiously in your 2024 paper, आपको 110% यहाँ से question copy paste paper में दिखेंगे, which will thus give you an edge over the students and score your brownie points. Also, I would like to inform you all about two things. Firstly, we've started with our combined mentorship for 2024. The features of this program is that a curated weekly timetable will be given to you from Monday to Friday as per your schedule. If you are a working individual, उसके हिसाब से timetable रहेगा. Saturday, you will have to revise whatever you've studied from Monday to Friday. And Sunday, a personal one-on-one test session will be conducted on the topics which we've covered in 1 week. All your doubts will be solved and previous year questions will also be focused on. Second point is, for what kind of students is this program for? Is it only for advanced, जिसने 2 attempt दिए हैं, or is it for person who has just begun with the preparation? So it is for both the kinds of students, a novice as well as an advance. And for girls, we've noticed that they're not comfortable with a male mentor, so a female mentor will be there to guide them. And a free trial is also available for 1 week. And if you wish to start this mentorship program, you can either call us or you can message us on our WhatsApp number. Secondly, our books for MPSC English medium aspirants are also available, namely History of Maharashtra, Current Affair Yearbook and Geography of Maharashtra. Every year, you will definitely find questions from our content, right from Rajya Seva to Police Constable and Talati as well. Me and my team believe in keeping absolute transparency with everyone. So the proofs of the questions which have been tackled from our book have been uploaded on the Telegram channel. You can go see that and then place your trust on us. With this, let's start with it. So one thing, please excuse my hoarse voice due to cold and sore throat, and try to keep up with me because I'm trying my best to deliver this lecture to you all. Okay, first we'll start with most important days from January. The first important day is DRDO. DRDO Foundation Day. When is this day observed? It is observed on the 1st of January. First, let us see the data and then I will let you know the trick of how you have to keep this in your mind. Okay. DRDO, full form क्या है DRDO का? It is Defense Research and Development Organization. And this was the 65th Foundation Day. Who is the chairman of DRDO? It is Samir V. Kamath. And when was DRDO founded? It was founded in 1958. Now, how will you keep 1st January and DRDO in mind? Okay, so 31st December, इससे क्या याद आता है आपको? पार्टी याद आती है 31st की मिडनाइट पार्टी. You enjoyed so much on 31st कि आप 1st January को ही बीमार पड़ गए साल के स्टार्ट में. Whom do you rush to? Doctor. You will not rush to a scientist, no? So इससे how will you keep in your mind? 31st December को बहुत पार्टी कर ली, 1st January को ही बीमार पड़ गए, and then you go to the doctor, DRDO. So 1st January is observed as DRDO Foundation Day. Okay. Second day, National Youth Day. When is this observed? It is observed on the 12th of January. This day is the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand. In the comment section, do let me know what is the original name of Swami Vivekanand. इनका नाम स्वामी विवेकानंद ओरिजिनल नहीं है, हाँ, ये दिया हुआ नाम है. So what is the original name? Do let me know in the comment section. And the theme of the Youth Day is Viksit Yuva, Viksit Bharat. Now let's come to the trick. How will you keep this in your mind? See, 12th standard तक you are a kid, no? After 12th, what do your parents say? चलो जाओ, go and earn something for yourself, go do some part time job, कुछ तो करो. So after 12th you are a youth, responsible citizen हो आप. Okay, 12th Jan से आप याद रखोगे National Youth Day. I hope this is easy for you to keep in your mind. And theme तो easily याद होता है. जब तक युवा विकसित नहीं है तभी भारत कैसे विकसित होगा? Till the point your youth is not educated, how do you expect your country to flourish? Obviously नहीं होगा. If you have incompetent adults, incompetent youth, how will you expect your country to progress? So with this you can keep in your mind 12th standard तक ठीक है, ओके चलेगा, आपको जो चाहिए पेरेंट्स दे देंगे. बट आफ्टर 12th Jan आप यूथ हो, चलो जाओ अपना आप खुद से देखो. बिकॉज टिल द पॉइंट युवा विकसित नहीं है तब तक भारत विकसित नहीं है. आई होप इट इज़ ईजी फॉर यू टू कीप इन योर माइंड विद दिस ट्रिक. द थर्ड डे इज 24th January. The reason why I've added the date over here is because 24th को ना हम 2 दिन मनाते हैं. Firstly, it is International Day of Education and second is National Girl Child Day. ये दोनों दिन ना हम 24th January को मनाते हैं. Here, one point you have to keep in your mind that this year's International Day of Education, UNESCO has dedicated this day to Afghan girls and women. Afghan याद रखो. This has already been asked in a paper. That is the reason I've highlighted it. And National Girl Child Day. National Girl Child Day was started by Ministry of Women and Child Development and Government of India in 2008. This is not essential. Just keep Afghan in your mind and keep these 2 days in your mind. Now, keep this, okay? Hold this thought for a moment. The 24th Jan, education के बारे में हम बात करते हैं और गर्ल चाइल्ड के बारे में बात करते हैं, बराबर? Now let's proceed to the next one. National Voters Day. This is observed on the 25th of January and the theme is nothing like voting. I vote for sure. I vote for sure. Now please fast forward to the thought which you had kept back. 24th को मैंने क्या बोला था? 2 दिन है ना, एजुकेशन का है और गर्ल चाइल्ड का है, बराबर? जब 24th को एजुकेशन है, ओनली इफ योर गर्ल चाइल्ड इज एजुकेटेड, ओनली इफ योर कंट्री इज एजुकेटेड, देन ओनली यू विल वोट, नो? इफ यू आर नॉट एजुकेटेड यू आर बाउंड टू बी इग्नोरेंट. आपको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है वोट हो रही है नहीं हो रही है, इज द गवर्नमेंट फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपरली, इट डजेंट मैटर. सो फर्स्ट 24th को हमने क्या दे दिया? एजुकेशन दे दिया लड़कियों को, हमने सबको एजुकेशन दे दिया. 25th को क्या होगा? सब ने एजुकेशन तो ले ली, इसीलिए दे आर अवेयर नाउ, दैट इज द रीजन दे वोट. एंड व्हाट इज द थीम? नथिंग लाइक वोटिंग, आई वोट फॉर श्योर. Because I am educated, I will definitely vote. I will vote for sure. This is 25th Jan. Now we come to 26th Jan. Please keep this timeline in your mind, okay? इससे आपका learning बहुत easy हो जाएगा. Now we come to 26th Jan. A quick recap. 24th is for education and girl child. पढ़ाई हो गई, अवेयरनेस आ गई, हम वोट तो पक्का करेंगे. आई विल वोट फॉर श्योर, राइट? दैट इज द थीम. 26th, ऑल ऑफ अस नो दिस, कम ऑन. 26th इज योर रिपब्लिक डे. हर स्कूल में मनाते ना 26 जन. इन माई स्कूल या डेफिनेटली वी डिड सेलिब्रेट रिपब्लिक डे. सो नाउ 26 को जैन को क्या हुआ? माई फैमिली डिसाइडेड, आवर फैमिली डिसाइडेड दैट सी एनीवेज 26 जैन को तो स्कूल को हाफ डे होता है, बराबर हाफ डे बचता है, सो इट इज लाइक अ छुट्टी ओनली. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम रिपब्लिक डे का परेड देखेंगे और जो नया म्यूजियम खुला है ना वो हम देख के आ जाएंगे क्योंकि हाफ डे है. नाउ म्यूजियम काय का देख रहे हैं? हम कस्टम का म्यूजियम देखेंगे, ठीक है? कस्टम का म्यूजियम. नाउ टेल मी, जस्ट कीप दिस कस्टम इन योर माइंड, ओके? Whenever your friend goes to Goa, आप क्या मंगाते हैं वहाँ से क्योंकि वो चीज़ सस्ती मिलती है? You tell your friend भाई get liquor, right? Because सस्ता है वहाँ पे, बराबर. So इससे you will keep in your mind where is the custom museum? It is located at Goa. I hope this is clear, extremely clear. 24th एजुकेशन डे है और गर्ल चाइल्ड डे है. एजुकेशन मिल गया, एवरीवन इज अवेयर अबाउट देयर राइट्स, कैसा होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए. सो 25th यू ऑब्जर्व द वोटर्स डे. वोटर्स डे हो गया तो अगले दिन क्या था? 26 जन था. हम सबको पता है रिपब्लिक डे है, स्कूल में हाफ डे होता है. तो हमारे फैमिली ने क्या सोचा? चलो हाफ डे है तो परेड भी देख के आ जाएंगे और कस्टम का म्यूजियम भी देख के आ जाएंगे. कस्टम का म्यूजियम, कस्टम से व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू टू कीप इन योर माइंड दैट योर फ्रेंड हैज गॉन टू गोवा. बाय? बिकॉज वहाँ पे क्या दारू सस्ती मिलती है, सो यू टेल योर फ्रेंड टू ब्रिंग योर लिकर फ्रॉम देयर. सो वेयर इज कस्टम म्यूजियम? इट इज एट गोवा. The reason why I told you this story is because Goa has been asked in a paper once. In one paper they have also asked when is International Customs Day observed. We just studied 26 Jan. And what is the name of the museum? It is Dharohar, inaugurated by Nirmala Sitharaman. This also has been asked. Now 26th आपका रिपब्लिक डे है एंड ये साल का 26 Jan 2023 it was the 74th Republic Day. Please keep this in your mind. Republic Day पे कैसे चीफ गेस्ट बुलाते हैं, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट चीफ गेस्ट was President Sukarno. Okay. In 2023, who was the chief guest? It is Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, who is the president of Egypt. Here, please note, this was asked in a paper recently that who is the president of Egypt. And the people who did not study the days and themes, they couldn't relate. Suddenly, president of Egypt को क्यों पूछा गया? What is the reason behind it? So, this is the reason why they had asked who is the president of Egypt, because इनको बुलाया गया था 2023 के रिपब्लिक डे पे. See, always you will notice 90% of your current affair has some link, which is why they have asked. So, please try to keep this in your mind. Now, रिपब्लिक डे से और एक चीज़ important है, that is your tableau. It is the first rank went to Uttarakhand. And what was the theme? It was wildlife and religious site. Now you're preparing for MPSC, you need to know from Maharashtra perspective. So Maharashtra's rank was second and the theme was Nari Shakti and 3.5 Shakti Pithe. Okay. Data Privacy Day. When is Data Privacy Day observed? It is observed on 28th Jan. Think privacy first. Here I couldn't come up with any trick. If you can come up with something, definitely do let me know in the comment section. Alright, so Data Privacy Day is the 20th Jan. And what is the theme? It is Think Privacy First. Now let's do a quick recall of January days with the tricks which we have studied. Okay, 31st December पार्टी, बहुत ज़्यादा पार्टी कर लिए, बहुत खाया, बहुत पिया, और 1 जान को ही बीमार पड़ गए. Where do you go? You go to the doctor. So 1st Jan is observed as DRDO Foundation Day. Now first one. Second day which we studied, 12th Jan, right? 12th तक हो तब तक your parents will fulfill your needs and wishes, but after 12th you are a youth. फिर क्या बोलते हैं, आप जाओ, चलो do some part-time job at least, right? So 12th Jan is National Youth Day. With the trick, I hope you can recall it. Now 24th, this was a storyline, right? 24th, एक तो था आपका education and you had your girl child day. 24th को गर्ल चाइल्ड डे भी मनाया, एजुकेशन भी दे दिया. एजुकेट होने के बाद यू आर अवेयर, दैट इज वाई यू एक्सरसाइज योर राइट टू वोट ऑन द 25th ओनली, राइट? 25th को यू एक्सरसाइज योर राइट टू वोट एंड यू से आई विल वोट फॉर श्योर. फॉर श्योर ये था आपका थीम. 25th डन. नाउ वी कम टू 26th. 26th में स्कूल्स को क्या हाफ डे होता है बिकॉज ऑफ रिपब्लिक डे. सो योर फैमिली डिसाइडेड हम परेड भी देखेंगे और हम कस्टम म्यूजियम भी देख के आ जाएंगे, दोनों एक साथ, बिकॉज दोनों का एक ही दिन है ना, 26 Jan. दैट इज द रीजन. एंड कस्टम से मैंने आपको क्या याद रखने बोला था, आपका फ्रेंड गोवा जाता है, आप क्या मंगाते हैं, दारू मंगाते हैं बिकॉज इट इज चीप. सो कस्टम म्यूजियम कहाँ पे है, गोवा में है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द म्यूजियम? इट इज धरोहर. And who has inaugurated it? It has been inaugurated by Nirmala Sitharaman ji. So these are the most important days from the month of Jan. Now we'll proceed to the most important days from the month of February. Now the first most important day of the month of February is World Wetlands Day. Okay, when is it observed? It is observed on the 2nd of Feb. And the theme is it's time for wetlands restoration. Okay, now tell me, lands कितने टाइप के होते हैं? 2 टाइप के ना. One is which is wet and one is which is dry. Dry land and wetland. 2 याद रहेगा. 2 Feb. Now they are saying it's time for wetlands restoration. ये जो ड्राई डेजर्ट हो रहा है ना, इसको भी हमको रिस्टोर करके कैसे करना है, वेटलैंड में करना है. सो 2nd Feb बिकॉज 2 टाइप्स ऑफ लैंड, ड्राई एंड वेट, और जो ड्राई हो रहा है उसको हमको रिस्टोर करना है. So this is how you can keep in your mind that World Wetlands Day is observed on the 2nd of Feb and the theme is it's time for wetlands restoration. The second day is National Women's Day. When is it observed? It is observed on the 13th of Feb. Why on the 13th of Feb? Because it was the birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. Now, who matures first? Girls or boys? Girls, right? Girls mature first. By the age of 13, they mature. काफ़ी mature हो जाते हैं वो लोग. So, National Women's Day 13 Feb को मनाते हैं. That is how you can keep in your mind. वर्ल्ड वेटलैंड्स डे 2nd Feb, क्योंकि 2 टाइप के लैंड है, एक तो गीला और एक सूखा, और जो सूखा है उसको गीला में करना है, रिस्टोर करना है. ओके, नाउ वी कम टू वुमेन्स डे. 13 साल के बाद मैच्योर हो जाते हैं, राइट? 13 Feb, नेशनल वुमेन्स डे. This is how you can keep in your mind, and it is celebrated because it is the birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. The third day is World Day of Social Justice. When is this day observed? This day is observed on the 20th of Feb. And the theme is overcoming barriers and unleashing opportunities for social justice. Here I couldn't come up with any trick, so just keep the 28th Feb in your mind, and if you are able to come up with something, definitely do let me know in the comment section. So World Day of Social Justice is observed on the 20th of Feb. Now you have National Science Day. When is National Science Day observed? It is observed on the 28th of Feb. And what is the theme? The theme is Global Science for Global Well-being. And this day marks the discovery of Raman effect. Normally, we always consider Feb as 28th, no? Last day of Feb is 28th. If I have to discover something, just for an example, keep this in your mind. एक दिन में तो डिस्कवरी होती नहीं है, पूरा महीना मुझे मेहनत करना पड़ता है, दैट इज व्हेन डिस्कवरी होती है. ओके, सो कीप इन द माइंड द लास्ट डे. पूरे फेब मेहनत किया और 28 फेब को डिस्कवरी हो गई रमन इफेक्ट की, और वो इतनी अच्छी डिस्कवरी थी कि पूरे ग्लोब का वेलबींग हो गया उससे, ये इफेक्ट से एंड ये डिस्कवरी से. ओके, सो नेशनल साइंस डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन द लास्ट डे 28th ऑफ फेब. पूरा महीना हमने बहुत मेहनत किया और 28 फेब को डिस्कवरी हो गई, और वो डिस्कवरी इतनी अच्छी थी कि ग्लोबल का वेलबींग हो गया, पूरे ग्लोब का. ओके, नाउ अ क्विक recall of the February days with tricks. 2nd Feb, what did we study? We studied that lands are of two types. एक होता है wet और एक होता है dry, right? So wetlands day is observed on the 2nd of Feb. और जो ड्राई है उसको रिस्टोर करके हमें वेट करना है. ये डेजर्ट जैसे सॉइल का हम क्या करेंगे? कुछ नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो रिस्टोरेशन वो था आपका थीम फ्रॉम द 2nd of Feb, विच इज द वर्ल्ड्स वेटलैंड डे. नाउ वी कम टू 13th of Feb. ये है आपका वुमेन्स डे, राइट? बिकॉज 13 years तक गर्ल्स क्या मैच्योर हो जाती है. लास्ट डे विच वी स्टडीड ऑफ साइंस डे, नेशनल साइंस डे. इसका ट्रिक क्या था? पूरे महीने आपने इतना काम किया और लास्ट के डेट पे डिस्कवरी फाइनली हो ही गई रमन इफेक्ट की, और उससे इतना अच्छा हो गया दैट इट बिकेम अ ग्लोबल वेलबींग. लोगों का भी बहुत भला हो गया. नेशनल साइंस डे 28th Feb, ग्लोबल वेलबींग. Now we'll proceed with the most important days from the month of March. The first day is zero discrimination. Okay, discrimination कि मतलब you are superior, I am inferior, that's discrimination. Okay, so when is it observed? It is observed on the 1st of March. And what is the theme? Save lives, decriminalize. How to keep this in your mind? If I find you discriminating in between two people, मैं आपको एक मार देने वाली हूँ, ऐसे नहीं करना. ओके, सो 1st March इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एज जीरो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन डे. एक मार दूंगी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन किया तो, इसीलिए डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं करना है. 1st March जीरो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन डे. सेव लाइव्स, डीक्रिमिनलाइज. नेक्स्ट डे इज वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ डे. दिस इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन द 3rd of March. Here I couldn't come up with any trick. If you are able to, do let me know in the comment section. So this is the 3rd of March, World Wildlife Day. And the theme, what is the theme? The theme is Partnerships for Wildlife Conservation. Next day, International Day of Women Judges. So ये day started from 2022 in order to recognize the efforts of the women judges in the field of judiciary. And when is this observed? 10 March. Okay, 10 बजे तक you say no that girls should be home. 10 March, so keep March in your mind, and 10 बजे तक लड़कियां घर पे होनी चाहिए. Okay, women judges. Next one you've got World Consumer Rights Day. Here also I couldn't come up with any trick. If you are able to, please let me know in the comment section. So World Consumer Rights Day is observed on the 15th of March. And the theme, what is the theme? The theme is empowering consumers through clean energy transitions. International Day of Happiness. This is your next important day which you have to keep in your mind. And the date is 20 March. And what is the theme? The theme is be mindful, be grateful, and be kind. Okay, this is something even we have to follow about being kind towards people. The trick to this is, आपका यूनिट टेस्ट कितने मार्क्स का होता था स्कूल में? 20 मार्क्स नो, एंड आई गॉट उसमें 20 मार्क्स. मार्क्स से मार्च याद रखिए, 20 मार्च. 20 on 20, if you get full, how are you going to be? Are you going to be sad? No, you're going to be extremely happy. So happiness, 20 marks, happiness. I don't think you can forget after this, and you have to be kind. Okay, next day, World Water Day. World Water Day, 22nd March. And what is the theme? The theme is accelerating the change to solve the water and sanitation crisis. Here also I couldn't come up with any trick. If you are able to, do let me know. So World Water Day, 22nd March. Now we come to World Theatre Day. Please note, this has been asked once in paper. So World Theatre Day is observed on 27th March, and the theme is Theatre and Culture of Peace. Next, International Day of Zero Wastage. Okay, when is this observed? On the last day, on the 30th of March. And for the first time it was observed in 2023. That is why this day becomes even more important, because in 2023 this is the first time this day is being observed. And the aim of this day is that you should reuse and recycle things, ताकि ज़्यादा waste you should not generate more waste. And it has been jointly developed by UNEP and United Nations Habitat decided to observe this day. So how will you remember zero wastage? 0, okay, and 30 March. पूरे महीने का ना कचरा जमा करके रखा है, because they've told you have to reuse, recycle. So 30 March. That is how you can keep in your mind. Now we come to April. April has got selectively 2 से 3. ये बहुत ज़्यादा important है. First I'll start with the second day. इससे आपको recollect easy हो जाएगा. जलियनवाला बाग मसाका. All of us know that, right? When ये हुआ कब था? 13th April 1919, right? And okay, link history also over here. And who had told to fire? Is it General Dyer or General O'Dyer? ये हमेशा they give it together in order to confuse you, but here your answer is General O'Dyer and not Dyer. Now tell me, 13th है ना, 13th April. इसका हाफ क्या है? 6.5, बराबर. ओवरऑल पकड़ लो 7th April. 13th April को जलियनवाला बाग मसाकर हुआ था, और 7th April को जनरल ओडायर ने बोला health is for all, everyone take care of your health. Okay, health is for all, health for all, everyone take care of your health, ऐसे जनरल ओडायर ने बोला, और 13th April को जलियनवाला बाग मसाकर हुआ. Now we come to the third day, that is 24th April. Like I had told you, this question was asked in combined 2023 prelims. This also can be remembered very easily. Now tell me, पंचायत कैसे बैठती है? Okay, this is a tree, और ये जो यहाँ पे बैठते हैं everyone, 2 साइड होते हैं ना, कोई भी आर्ग्यूमेंट के 2 साइड होते हैं. एक साइड ये होता है कि इसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, और दूसरा साइड होता है कि नहीं मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया. सो ये है एक साइड और ये है एक साइड. नाउ दोनों साइड पावरफुल होना चाहिए ना, और शुड इट बी लाइक एक में 10 आदमी है, एक पे 2 आदमी है सपोर्ट करने वाले, ओनली 2? नो, इक्वल. सो इक्वल से आप ये याद रखिए, यहाँ भी 1 डजन है लोग, यहाँ भी 1 डजन है लोग, 2 साइड पार्टी है. डजन, हाउ मच डज इट बिकम? 24th April. 24th April is observed as Panchayati Raj Divas. Easy to remember. This date was asked in the paper. Now, if we do a quick recall of April days with tricks. How did we start? We started this as a base because you already knew that. So 13th April is observed as Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day. Year half हमने पकड़ा था 7th April को, कर्जन ने क्या बोला, सॉरी डायर ने क्या बोला, हेल्थ इज़ फॉर ऑल, 7 अप्रैल को बोल दिया और उसने 13 को ऐसा कर दिया. नाउ पंचायत बैठेगी, राइट. दो साइड होते ना पंचायत के, एक बोलता है इसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया और दूसरा बोलता है नहीं मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया, और यहाँ पे जो हेड होगा ही विल बी टॉकिंग. So here also you got 1 dozen people, here also you got 1 dozen people. Both the sides you need to have equal number. एक साइड ज़्यादा एक साइड कम, थोड़े लोग यहाँ सपोर्ट कर रहे थोड़े ज़्यादा यहाँ सपोर्ट कर रहे, नो, both the sides are equal. So that is how you'll remember 24th April. 24. This day was asked in the paper. Now we've completed the most important days from April. Now we'll proceed to May. The first day is International Labour Day. International Labour Day is observed on the 1st of May, and 1st of May is also observed as Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Day. Please keep this as well in your mind. Now here how will you keep in your mind is 1st May is my birthday. ठीक है. And labor, no, I work like a laborer. How? I write content, I make PPT, I record, I edit, I upload, I look into suggestions, and if there is something constructive, I incorporate them because I believe there is always room for improvement. मैं इतना काम करती हूँ. On the 1st of May, my birthday, right? So 1st of May is my birthday. Keep that in your mind and just think that I work as a laborer because मैं इतना काम करती हूँ पूरे दिन में. So 1st of May, International Labour Day. I work like a labor. I hope you can keep this in your mind. And 1st May is also observed as Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Day. Now the second day which you have to keep in your mind is World Press Freedom Day. Okay. 1st May को आप सब लोगों ने मुझसे इतना काम करवा लिया, इतना एडिटिंग किया, कंटेंट सब बनाया. 2nd May को क्या, do you expect that I will be as chirpy as I was on the 1st of May? No, I'll be resting on the 2nd May. उसके अगले दिन थोड़ी वापस मैं काम करूँगी. So now we come to the 3rd of May. 3rd of May, on 3rd of May, I want to talk to the press to tell that see these people are making me work so much because I also have a press freedom, no, मुझे भी तो बोलने का हक है. So 3rd May is observed as World Press Freedom Day. Okay. And what is the theme? The theme is shaping a future of rights, future of expression, driver for all other human rights. Theme, don't keep in your mind, just keep this in your mind. And please note, this has already been asked in a paper recently. 1st May, it's my birthday, you make me work as a labor. And 2nd May, I take a छुट्टी क्योंकि मैंने इतना 1st May को काम कर लिया. 3rd May, I want to speak about the trouble that you all have given me, right? So that is about press freedom. मुझे press में बोलना है. These are the most important days from the month of May. A quick revision with the tricks you've studied. 1st May, like I've already told, record, edit, learn like a labor 1st May. And 2nd को रेस्ट किया क्योंकि 1st May को बहुत काम किया. 3rd को मुझे भी बोलने का मौका मिलना चाहिए प्रेस में for my rights. So World Press Freedom Day is observed on the 3rd of May. Now we proceed to the most important days from the month of June. The first day is World Milk Day. Okay. When is World Milk Day observed? It is observed on the 1st of June and the theme is Enjoy Dairy. Easily the trick to keep, एक जन को 1 लीटर दूध मिलेगा, राइट? इतना महंगाई है, 1 लीटर बस हो गया. 1 जन 1 liter, simple. And you enjoy dairy while drinking milk. Enjoy. So 1st June, World Milk Day. Okay. 2nd is World Ocean Day. World Ocean Day, मैंने 1 week पूरा दूध पिया from 1 to 7 and 8th को I became strong and I told Now let's go explore ocean. But what did everyone tell me? That there are tides in the ocean. The tides are changing, so don't go in June. So 1st June, World Milk Day. 8th June, World Ocean Day. Why did everyone tell me don't go to the ocean? Because the tides are changing. Now the 3rd day. Here I couldn't come up with any trick. If you are able to, your suggestion is more than welcome. Date. So World Blood Donor Day is observed on the 14th of June. And what is the theme? Give blood, give plasma, share life often. Here just keep that quote in your mind. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. ओके, गिव ब्लड गिव प्लाज्मा, वैसे आप ध्यान में रखिए. गिव ब्लड गिव प्लाज्मा शेयर लाइफ ऑफन. 14th of June is observed as World Blood Donor Day. Now we come to International Yoga Day. Very very important. Please put a 3 star. 21st June. Okay, 21st June is observed as International Yoga Day and the theme is Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. 21 जन हम योगा कर रहे थे. 1st June 1 जन 1 लीटर दूध. सो 1st June वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे. फिर 8 जून को आपका क्या आता है? वर्ल्ड ओशन डे. क्योंकि मैंने 1 वीक मैंने दूध पिया ना, आई वॉज वेरी स्ट्रांग एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू गो एक्सप्लोर. So I wanted to explore the ocean, but what did people tell me? That the tides are changing, don't go. Okay, then we've got International Yoga Day, 21st June. Okay, and what is the theme? It is Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Here 21st को मैंने योगा किया. After that I had my rest day. 22nd को मैंने रेस्ट किया. और मैंने योगा कैसे इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे किया ना. So everyone were very impressed with my yoga. So then they called me for 23rd in Olympics to play. 23rd June. And Olympics mein what am I going to do? Am I just going to sit? No, I am going to move. So the theme is let's move. Okay. Now let's quickly recall June days with the tricks how we've studied. 1 June 1 जन को 1 लीटर दूध मिलेगा. So World Milk Day is observed on 1 June. 1 week I drank a lot of milk, I felt strong, so I wanted to go explore the ocean. But what did people tell me? That the tides are changing, no, so don't go. Okay, then I've got 21st June as International Yoga Day. International yoga I did on 21st, तो मैंने 22nd को बॉडी को रेस्ट दिया. And 23rd को Olympics people called me, okay, come, now you come play for us. So 23rd is observed as International Olympics Day. And Olympics mein what do people do? Do they just go and sit over there? No, they move. So the theme is let's move. Now we've completed the most important days of June. Now we'll start with most important days from July. The first day is International Plastic Bag Free Day. When is this day observed? This day is observed on the 3rd of July. And what is the reason? Why is this day observed? It is observed to make people aware about the detrimental effects of disposable plastic bags on the environment. When did India ban single-use plastic bag? On the 1st of July 2022. And the first country to ban plastic bag was Bangladesh in 2002. Please keep this in your mind, this as well. And recently, again important data, which country has become the first country to ban thin plastic bags at supermarket? ये आपके क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा सकता है. So your answer is New Zealand. New Zealand has become the first country to ban thin plastic bags at supermarket. Then you've got World Population Day. World Population Day is observed on 11th of July. Population कैसे बढ़ता है? एक एक करके बढ़ता है ना. So 11 July. ठीक है. Year theme not important. इतना बड़ा theme they will never ask you. So only the date is sufficient. Population कैसे? एक एक करके बढ़ता है. So 11th July. Then you've got International Malala Day. It is observed on July 12th. And who is Malala? Here I've put up a picture. So she is a Pakistani advocate for girls' education and the youngest person to receive the Nobel Prize. This is important because it has been asked in a paper once. That who was the youngest person to receive the Nobel Prize? It is Malala. Her name is Malala Yousafzai, right? And Taliban shot in the head because she spoke openly about girls' education. And in 2015, the United Nations officially designated 12 July as her day. And she's got one autobiography as well. The name of the autobiography is I Am Malala. The last one is NABARD Foundation Day. When is NABARD Foundation Day observed? It is observed on July 12th. What is year? These are certain important points which you must keep in your mind. They can also ask you this from economics perspective. Okay. So what is the full form of NABARD? It is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. When was it established? It was established in 1982 to provide financial and development support to agricultural and rural sectors. And who's the chairman of NABARD? It is K.V. Shaiji. Okay. A quick recall of July days with tricks. 3rd July को plastic free day we observe. Then you've got World Population Day. एक एक करके बढ़ता है ना, so 11 July. Then you've got 12 July Malala Day. And with NABARD, the trick for NABARD which I had made is 12 बजे क्या आपके बार बंद हो जाता है ना. Okay, so with that I had linked it. It is 12 July. 12 July is Malala Day as well as NABARD Day. 12 July. In the comment section now, do let me know when is DRDO Foundation Day observed. Trick से याद करना हाँ. It will be extremely easy for you to keep in your mind. I hope you have liked today's lecture, and if you have liked it or you have any constructive suggestions and you want me to improve on certain aspects, because I believe there is room for improvement always, you can let me know in the comment section. I will definitely look into it. I hope you all have a great day. I will see you all in the next one. Jai Hind.